Document Whisperer presents the Writer's Workshop. We quickly solve document formatting mysteries and train you to do the same. Have you ever had numbering misfires, copy-paste gone wild, font frustrations, or document crashes? I personally am also an author, and I have had all of these situations happen just at the wrong time. So, do you want better control of your paragraphs? Do you need to quickly create and manage table of contents? Do you have to apply varied page numbering? Are you wondering what the heck is a bleed or gutter? Do you desire to master your document formatting? Sure you do. And we will train you to do just that. So this webinar is meant for you. It is happening Wednesday, June the 1st at 6:30 p.m. Eastern on Zoom and Facebook Live. Email us to receive a link to the webinar at info@documentwhisperer.com. I am Janine Nash, co-founder of Document Whisperer, and Alicia Almakender is also a co-founder of Document Whisperer, and we can't wait to share with you some quick tips on how to end your document formatting frustrations. So we'll see you Wednesday, June the 1st, 6:30 p.m. Eastern, right on Facebook Live or Zoom. Don't forget to email us at info@documentwhisperer.com for the link. See you soon.